Hey guys, welcome in. This is not a video on a crime or a story or case that we follow. This is more of a public announcement what is going on with the channel and the memberships and a Discord. We just finished a book club 1 and it is now for book club 2. We meet weekly. We are starting the new book club a week from today, which is November 29th, 2021. We do meet weekly and it was a great time. We've just finished Lullaby by Palahniuk, and now up for grabs is the next book. So make sure all of you that want to be a part of the next book club drop in these comments the book that you would like to listen to on Audible Book, and I am going to do a random drawing. Also down below, guys, we have the Facebook meeting coming up in the group. I believe it is 28th or 29th of November, but I will also drop that information and the link down below in the description. I also added another tier to the membership that allows you to get into our Discord, the Facebook group, and be a part of all of the laws and new things that we want to do to keep our babies safe. And that's it, guys. Make sure you drop your book in the description. Join the Discord, join a membership, and join the Facebook group. Alright guys, stay vigilant and keep your baby safe. I am out, and I look forward to seeing you all at the next book club. And remember the rules, guys. Remember the rules. We do not discuss a book club.